The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported updates from front line in the last 24 hours. The gunfight continued in some places, June 12. In Kupyansk direction, operational tactical and army aviation and artillery of the Zapad Group of Forces inflicted fire damage on the units of the enemy close to Novomlynsk, Masyutovka, and Kislovka, Kharkov region, and Stelmakhovka, Lugansk People's Republic. Moreover, one Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance units was annihilated near Rozovka, Lugansk People's Republic, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. The enemy's losses have amounted to over 35 Ukrainian troops, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 D-20 howitzer in this direction during the day. Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman, said in total, the armed forces of Ukraine lost 442 fighter jets and 238 helicopters, 4,579 unmanned aerial vehicles, 426 air defense missile systems, 9,915 tanks and other armored combat vehicles. Also 1,122 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 5,093 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,905 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 12 said Russia lost 540 servicemen in a single day, including 5 tanks, 5 armored personnel vehicles as well as 10 artillery units and 7 drones. In total, Moscow have been losing 216,180 servicemen since their launching full-scale aggression into Ukraine territories. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 475 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swore to repel all Russian occupiers soon. Ukraine counter-offensive is going to recapture all territories controlled by Russia.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.